Today we will start exercise number 4.3 and the today topic is word problems of integer. Before we will start the word problems of integer, first of all you need to remember the times. Remember the formula table. Minus minus is always plus. Plus plus is always plus. When we have two same sign, the answer is always addition. You have to do addition. But when we have two opposite sign, we always do the subtraction. But how to simplify the question? First of all, you need to put the equality sign and always solve the brackets first. So first of all, see any sign outside the bracket, no. So it means you need to open the smaller bracket. Minus minus, see, minus minus plus. You need to write single answer, single sign, because there is no meaning of minus 8 minus minus 6. So when we have two sign in bracket, we need to solve. Minus minus, write the answer, plus 6. Now the smaller bracket will be removed. Minus minus plus 4. Now you need to add and subtract. Minus plus, minus plus minus, do the minus. 8 minus 6, 2, but sign of bigger value. Now we got the single answer, brackets will be removed, plus 4. Now again, minus plus, minus plus minus, see the answer. What is answer? Subtraction, do the subtraction. 2 minus 4 is not possible, 4 minus 2 is 2, but sign of bigger value. So draw the ending line. This is the simplification, how to do solve step by step. Now I am taking another question. Let's see, we have a question is minus plus 4, then we have minus plus plus 3 minus plus 4. So first of all, change this single sign. We need single sign. Minus plus, see, minus plus, what is the answer? Minus. Single answer. Minus plus 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 3 minus plus minus 4. Now we got single answer. Minus 4 minus. Solve the bracket first, then compare with this. Plus minus minus. Answer is minus. So do the subtraction. 4 minus 3, 1, but sign of bigger value. Minus minus, there is no concept of minus minus. So first of all we need to put the bracket. Why we put the bracket? Because we have two sign. Firstly we need to change it. Minus 4 minus minus, multiplying, minus minus plus, single sign. Now minus plus minus, 4 minus 1, 3, but sign of bigger value. So these are the simplification step. When we have two sign, put the bracket. Multiply and change the sign, we need single answer. But when we add and subtract, we do the subtraction addition, but put the sign of bigger value with the answer. Now I am solving the word problems. Question number 4 of exercise number 4.3, page number 53, and the question is subtract minus 11 from plus triple 11. From is the clue. When we have a from is the clue. Always write the from value first. This is the clue for higher grades also. When we have a question, subtract this value from this. It means we need to subtract this value from this. Always write the from value first. So write in bracket plus triple 1. Then what we have to do? Subtraction. What is the operation? Subtraction. And the second value is minus triple 1. This is the sign of this value. See, subtract this value from this. Always write the from value first. From. Then what we have to do? Minus. Subtraction. If the question is sum, so put the sign of addition. But the question is subtraction, so put the sign of subtraction. And the second value is this. Now open it. Any sign outside? No. Triple 11. But now we have two signs. Solve it. Minus minus plus triple 11. Now plus 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 plus. So 2 and sign of bigger value. Both signs are same. That's why we have to put the sign of addition. So this is the step for solving the word problem. Question like word problems. Now the question number 5. Question number 5 is the sum of two integers. sum of two integers equals minus 99. One integer mean first integer. So first integer is minus 66. Find the other one. Other means second integer equals question mark. What is the question? We have a sum of two integers. One is 66 and second you need to find. How to make the statement? Sum of two integers. Sum means addition of two integers. So sum of two integers equals minus 66. What are the two integers? Integers mean first integer and plus second integer. What is the meaning of sum? Sum mean addition equals to minus 66. What is the first integer? First integer is minus 66. Sorry, minus 99. Sum of integers minus 90. First integer is minus 66 and second you need to find. Second integer you need to find. Minus 99. 66 and 99 both are relative. We need to find second integer. So write down second integer. Minus 99 stay same as it, but minus 66 will go to the relative from left side to right side. Minus will convert it into addition. So minus plus minus 99 minus 66. So the answer will be 33. But sign of bigger value. Draw the ending line. See again. Question is sum of two integers. Two integers sum is given. One integer means first integer value is minus 66. Second you need to find. So write the statement. Sum of two integer, answer is this. Sum mean addition of two, first and second. This is the answer. Now first integer value is minus 66. Second integer you need to find. 66 and 99 are relative. When 66 will go to the right hand side, it will plus. So minus converted into plus. Minus plus minus 99 minus 66 33, but sign of bigger value. Thank you.